starting. Hello, everyone. It's this week's episode. I'm Jam,
I'm Cons.
and we are two bros interested in finance. Yeah. So it's the crypto episode. We always start with crypto episodes. I don't know why. Maybe we should start doing the stocks first and then the crypto. Because lately crypto has been only giving us doubtful moments. Not for me. I'm still very much in plus. Like my portfolio is doing really well, but it's just the market itself. It's not fun. So let's just start with the indexes, if that's all right. So for CMC 20 and CMC 100 index, since the last week, even with the last week's crash, CMC 20 dropped a bit more than 7%. And CMC 100 dropped 14.3% again. So not a fun week. And in the last 7 days, Bitcoin dropped 4%, BNB dropped nearly 13%, which is I think I mentioned this last week. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but I told you that BNB is starting to do meme coin mania on their own blockchain. So BNB seems a bit questionable lately. Anyways, Ripple dropped nearly 2% in the last 7 days. Solana, it's in plus, nearly 3.3%. And yeah, these are the things. And what are the news about this week? I think, in my opinion, other than the crypto related stuff, Bitcoin dropped around like 104, like 104,700 around there. Other than that, but even though it dropped that much, it's still trading around 107, 112 right now. So it could stabilize itself on a higher price. But other than the crypto news, there is not actually crypto news. What I would like to mention, and I feel like we will mention it in the stocks episode as well, but the inflation, the CPI rose to 3.2%. That's just bad for the financial markets in general. Other than that, this is what crypto market gave us in the last week, and these are the things that I'm going to say. And what do you want to add?
Yeah, not much, man, not much. What can I add? It's like you said, a sad week in the crypto market.
Yeah.
Past 2 weeks now, I guess, or October, pretty much, right? I think the first week of October was still fine, but since then it's been downhill. And yeah, I don't know. I think we just have to sit it out. It feels a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. From my perspective, at least, it feels like a really short-term bearish market a little bit. Maybe something like we had in March and April at the beginning of the year. And yeah, consolidation, bro. We're back at the consolidation point. I think it needs some time around the 105, 110 mark. And yeah, I think I'm not particularly
So
bullish right now, I guess, if that's what I
I
can
mean,
say.
in the long run, until the end of this year, I'm still bullish. But like in the very short term, I'm talking about like 2, maybe 3 weeks.
Hmm.
Yeah, it looks bearish. And as you know, like the historical movements of Bitcoin. So I'm looking at the table now, and October averaged nearly 20%, 19.79 to be specific. But right now it's like -5% for Bitcoin
Hmm.
historically. And this October is not coming well. And I don't know if actually like
Yeah, they
I
can.
hope it makes a jump start, like a really amplified jump start for the rest of the October, but doesn't seem like it.
Yeah, I mean, it can always be an outlier. I can always be in negative October. Yeah, I think it's always likely, right? It's crypto overall. It does that. So yeah, I don't know, man. Like, I'm just looking at the graph right now as well, thinking, can it drop below 100 in the 2 weeks or 3 weeks? Because like mostly agree with you. If we're talking bearish, then we're talking maximum 3 weeks, right? And for the rest of
Yeah,
the
yeah,
year,
yeah.
bullish. And I agree with you on that. But now we're in the 3 weeks of this bearish time period. Where can we see Bitcoin? Can it drop under 100K? Do you think so? Honestly, I can see it happening. I wouldn't be surprised, but I think it would be bought really quickly up again.
I
So,
think below 100 is, I would say, maybe like 5 to 10% of a chance that it's happening.
okay.
But yeah, I don't know. For this month, I had high hopes, but it doesn't feel like it's going to give those hopes to me.
Yeah, I think that's also another thing, right? We still have nearly 2 weeks left of October, or
Yeah.
we're right above the middle, I guess. So you can do everything in the last week. Don't be surprised, right? So again, it can be a full 360 and hit new all-time highs. But yeah, right now,
Okay. I mean, for that to do that, right? The financial market sentiments and the news that we get from all around the world should be good for it to happen, right? Because like right now, not only in terms of crypto, but like also the stocks market as well. Like there are so many bad things happening in the world, like as in like bad news, like negative sentiment news, that I don't know if it can do that recover for the last 11 days.
hmm
11 or 12 days, whatever it is, like nearly two
yeah,
weeks.
yeah,
Because
it's
like for example, I read a article on Financial Times this morning that Hamas or Israel, whoever the side was, they were pointing at each other, and apparently there were fired shots. And Israel saying that Hamas did it first, Hamas saying that Israel did it first. And so, like, these kind of news, if they keep coming, October might be a minus month.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, let's see. I don't know. It can go up or down, right? Or sideways.
Yeah.
It's I don't know. I don't have the foresight, unfortunately. But I think overall, I agree with you with the 2 3 weeks maybe bearish, and then
Mhm.
bullish towards the end of the year. I don't see anything wrong with that. But again, I wouldn't be surprised if it just does 100% turnaround the next week and goes full bullish again.
Yeah,
So
those things can happen. Like I,
yeah,
I like the fact that you're trying to adapt to crypto market.
yeah. I mean,
That it actually can happen. Will
yeah,
it? I don't know if that's the question. Anyways, but yeah, this is very much what crypto market is right now. I'm sad. I'm sad,
yeah,
and I actually like this happens rarely to me, but I actually don't know where the market's gonna go
yeah.
in terms of crypto.
50-50, man. 50-50.
Literally 50-50. Yeah, from now on, only 50-50s. Yeah, do you have anything else to add?
I think in general, it's fine on my side. Got nothing else.
Okay, I'm fine as well. Then let's just end it. So thank you guys for watching. Uh, share it, like it, subscribe. Grandma, grandpa, you guys know how it is. Catch you guys on the next episode. Bye
Ciao,
bye.
ciao, guys. Ciao, ciao.